Production at Kathleen Valley continues to ramp up as we transition to a fully underground mining operation. Our underground fleet continues to expand with the arrival of a 4th long hole rig, 3rd jumbo and 2nd diamond drill rig now on site. This additional equipment increases both our development and production capacity, allowing more flexibility and efficiency across the mine. To support this growth, both Liontown and Burncut are continuing to expand our underground teams, whilst ensuring we maintain the highest quality of safety and productivity across the mine. The permanent primary ventilation system is now fully commissioned. This gives us greater control over airflow management and allows us to prioritise production areas more efficiently. This ventilation system upgrade is also a key step in establishing independent firing, which will allow scheduling flexibility to achieve in production mining areas. This also helps reduce risks and keep our production targets on track for the second half of the financial year. Currently, our main focus is on advancing the North Decline, which provides access to larger stoping areas. This will enable the extraction of clean ore at higher volumes.